Okay, you want to start a small business, but what's the first thing you should do?
Please tell me.
So many coaches and gurus are going to have a different answer for you on this question. This is my take, and here's why I think it's important. You have to do market research. So before you decide to take your service idea or your product idea out into the world, you have to perform some market research. So what is that? You need to know if there's a demand for that service or product. You need to know how much of a demand is out there. You also need to know how much money you can make by performing this service or providing that product. You need to know where geographically the best locations are for those services or products that you want to provide. Now, in the PI industry, like I'm in, I can provide services anywhere on some things I provide. So naturally, surveillance is location-based, but background checks, locates, even criminal defense mitigation, I don't necessarily need to be geographically located where that service needs to be provided. I can be anywhere, including internationally. So you need to know if you're providing a product or service, is it geographically located, and what are the best geographic locations for you to be in to provide that service or product? And then who else is providing the same service or product? What are they charging for that? This is called market saturation. Are there too many people providing the same thing? You need to know that. Then you need to determine pricing. So I will tell you that in my area, I'm in Northern California, I am one of the highest, I have the highest rates of any PI in my area. So if people don't want to do business with me because my rates are high, that's okay, because I have enough clients that will pay my rate. And I've been at it for almost 25 years. So I'm not going to charge what a new PI would charge to their clients and customers. My experience counts and is factored into the rate that I charge. And believe me, if you set your prices too low, people will think you're not good at what you do. So make sure that you're at or around the base rate, the average base rate that people charge for your service or product. And then over time, you can start upping your pricing, but don't underprice your services. Even if you don't have experience at the service that you're considering trying. Lowballing your services is never a good outcome for you. But getting back to market research, do your research. Make sure before you spend any capital or invest anything in a new service-based or product-based business that you do your market research. All right, I'm Anna Stowe. I'm a private investigator in California with over 24 years of experience, and thank you for listening.